Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: which of the statements below are true about LCM? Check all that apply. Multiple select question. A decline in market value means a loss in value of inventory. When market value is lower than cost, a loss is recorded. Market value is used as the replacement cost when using the LIFO method. When market value is higher than cost, again is recorded, and the answer of the question is the true statements about LCM lower of cost or market are: a decline in market value means a loss in value of inventory. When market value is lower than cost, a loss is recorded. When market value is higher than cost, again is recorded. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.